Okay guys, I'm just getting around to making a video on this newest acquisition. This is a $18.99 Seth Thomas adamantine I got from the flea market for $15. And it needed some major love. The most major problem was the strike mainspring failed at one time, and that blew out the side there. As you can see, I've got to get that one glued at some point. And another problem it had, it snapped off one of the arbors, but thankfully it's still long enough to fit into the bushings, so it's good. And this clock uses the hip movement that came out before the 89 did. I'll show you as best I can which one that is. Maybe this one. And there's the gong. It's fixing to strike here shortly. Now we'll let you hear that. It sounds very nice. Replace the old hammer leather. And I do have the other column, but I had to get it, and it was really dirty. Smoke, dirt, nicotine, all 9 yards. It's a pretty dial though. Of course it shows its age, but it's okay too. Not the loudest ticker ever, but I can hear it. Now we wait for it to strike. And there she be. Typical Seth Thomas gong. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and catch you later. Bye bye.